Hey there, it's Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Hydropool Signature 655 Platinum Series hot tub. We're going to discuss who this hot tub is for, the features, we're even going to get into some pricing. By the end, hopefully you have a great sense of who this hot tub is for and whether it's right for you. First, let's talk about who this hot tub is for. This hot tub caters to a family that have different heights. Dad who might be taller, wife who might be shorter, kids, but still want that elite level massage. This is one of the most popular hot tubs sold in North America because it has that ability to fit different height people. It's the only 6-person hot tub that has a seat specifically designed for someone who's a little vertically challenged and is under 5'8". There's no other hot tub in the world that has that ability to cater to that shorter person with an elite level massage. As a platinum model, it features one of our top of the line personalized massage with extremely powerful jets. Let's talk about who this hot tub is not for now. This is not a hot tub for someone who wants a traditional lounger or one of those lay down loungers. It's not the best for runners or triathletes who would benefit from that lay-down lounger because it offers more of an intense massage on the legs, hamstrings, and glutes with a traditional lounger. There are also larger hot tubs that might be better for entertaining, like our 728. There are also smaller hot tubs that offer more of an intimate experience if you're looking for that. Here are some of the features that set this model apart. The 655 Platinum is an 84-inch or 213 centimeter square hot tub that features an elite level massage capability with over 50 jets. This hot tub offers a deep seating captain's chair, which delivers an expert therapeutic massage. The multi-level seating also allows everyone to enjoy the party in this hot tub. The S-shaped immersion lounger is the only seat in a 6-person hot tub that can deliver an elite level massage to anyone 5 foot to 5'8". The 655 has a large footwell that allows many people to have the space they need. The last thing I want to do is play footsies with anyone, so it offers lots of room in the footwell. The 655 is a 39-inch or 99 centimeter deep hot tub, which is fantastic for soaking in. Our Signature is our top-of-the-line hot tub collection. Every hot tub in it comes with the following class-leading features. Every Signature hot tub comes with the ability to personalize or customize or dial in the exact massage that you want. And because they're built in Canada, they're built and designed to handle Canadian winters. But most importantly, the Signature line comes with our patented self-cleaning system, which makes it the easiest hot tub in the world to maintain. There are 2 series in the 655 model. The Gold series is for anyone looking for a great massage, but is also budget conscious, while the Platinum series has more jets, more pumps for a more elite level massage experience. The 655 Platinum starts at around $18,000 and goes to around $19,500 depending on the bells and whistles, which is around the starting price of the 728 Platinum. If you'd like to know more about the Hydropool 655 Platinum, make sure to visit your local Hydropool retailer today or find us online. I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. The water is calling.